Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It's the weekend of November 13th, and just wanted to get this out before the market opened. It's going to be interesting to see where things go. Maybe we can kind of take a quick look and see what the futures are looking like. But the biggest thing I'm seeing is that despite the market moving up after the CPI report, and of course, everybody, all the market is really just hanging on the CPI number, trying to figure out where this thing is going to go. This move up that we had was kind of just a huge, massive news-based bounce, which is exactly what it was. I mean, everybody's thinking that, yeah, we've got cooler inflation, so we're going to be able to pivot, and this is the bottom. I'm not entirely sure that that is the case. Now, maybe this thing has legs. We can go a little while, but I'm not so sure that this thing is the low. As you can see, yeah, not too much to really glean from the futures so far. But if we look back at the SPY, a couple of things that I want to point out is that we've had, it's definitely possible in bear markets like this to have big rallies like this, big moves, because of all the short covering and the short interest and the short squeezes, basically. And so we get a news thing like this, and you could just see that the market jumps for 2 days. Now, is that constructive? Not really. I'm not so sure about that. We've seen this in the past, and unfortunately, this leaves me in a bit of a lurch that I don't want to go short right now because it's still up, but I can't really go long because it is very extended. We're very extended here on the hourly chart. We're very extended here on the daily chart. And the best that I can look at and summarize right now is that I am looking for a pullback from the market. And if that pullback is held and finds support, then yes, we can move up in the market and we can continue going on the long side for this. So, maybe it'll play out for a little bit longer. Otherwise, if this is a short play, like a short squeeze, then when the shorts are all squeezed out and they have basically unwound their short positions, then we might see this move actually come back down fairly hard and not necessarily be able to find good support because, well, it wasn't an up move based on new longs coming into the market. It was just a short squeeze. The other thing that kind of has me a little bit on guard that we can watch over the next few days in this coming week is the UVXY. So I do find it very interesting, and there's not much I can work with right now, right this moment, but I do find it very interesting that the UVXY basically went sideways despite the market moving up big for 2 days. This is not corresponding the proper, quote-unquote proper way that I would be expecting for the market to be moving, the UVXY to be moving, if this was a legitimate up move. Now, as I said, we're going to have to see how Monday unfolds. We'll have to see how the week digests that move. And maybe that's a good term, digest. We have to figure out what the market is going to do with that move. Because 2-day up move like that, unless you just jump in and hang on for 2 days, doesn't really give us too much to work with as far as longer term swing trades and health of the market. So I'm holding my chips back for right now, waiting to see a little bit more information. Mostly I want to see what the pullback looks like, and we'll kind of go from there. So, alright guys, see you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.